I'm going to be flying to Los Angeles. No way, no way, no way, no way, no way, no way. I'm gonna walk y'all through everything I'm packing, okay? No, because the fact that this is just my toiletries is very concerning. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back. I haven't filmed a video like this in so long, but I'm traveling again. And if you don't know, I used to be known for impulsively traveling anywhere and everywhere as an underage teenager. But things happened and I lost my passport and haven't been able to get a new one for a while. But I still don't have my passport, but I did figure out a way to travel. Nothing extravagant here, but I'm going to be flying to Los Angeles with a one-way ticket and then possibly Hawaii and Puerto Rico after that. But I haven't booked a return flight, so it's gonna be an adventure. But today I'm just gonna like do a vlog of me like packing and getting shit done. It's not gonna be like a boring like travel video, so if like you don't care that I'm traveling, I don't either. It's more like a vlog because I have some things to unbox, clean up the house, do all that. But I did just go and buy a suitcase, so insert footage here. First things first, I'm the realest. No, first things first, let's do a quick package unboxing. Time is currently 4:49. My flight is at 10:30. So I think that I have quite a bit of time. So I was supposed to fly out yesterday, but then I switched my flight to today because I was just like too hectic and it was just all over the place. Also, Sterling's coming with me. Okay, unboxing haul, hold on. We have a hair mask and hair elixir from Bleach London. Kate Somerville. Oh, intense exfoliating treatment. Okay, period. Leave on for 2 minutes. Milk makeup. Holy, oh my gosh, they sent me so much stuff. I love their Hydro Grip Primer, but they sent me one of these mini bronzer sticks and I'm definitely gonna bring this traveling with me just so I could like touch up a little bit whenever I want to. Oh my God, cute. Thank you so much to Milk Makeup. Casetify. They sent the cutest cases, but they don't fit my phone, unfortunately. No, for real. What, like literally, what do I do with this? Very cute though. Thank you, Casetify. What is this? Sigma. Oh, I love this brush. Their Max Kabuki brush. Actually, I need to open this RN. Oh my gosh, I love Sigma's Kabuki brushes. Thank you to Sigma. Our place. I'm really excited about this because I have one of their pans and it's absolutely ruined because I use it every day. So, oh my God. It's a Selena Gomez PR package too. No way, no way, no way, no way, no way, no way, no way. They sent me glasses, like shut the fuck up. Oh my God, do y'all see these? No way, I thought they literally just like sent a pan. They sent more than just a pan. What is this? A knife? They literally fucking sent me a knife, bro. Oh my God. Wow, I think that this gotta be the best PR package I ever got. Oh my God, another one. They sent me another one. Ah! Do y'all see this? Wow. Oh my God. What is this? Another one. Look at this mini knife. Oh, this is amazing. Last but not least, I was actually literally gonna buy myself a Our Place pan the other day. No, I've been thinking about it for a while, but I haven't because mine's just so dusty and crusty, but they literally sent me one. Oh my God. Oh, this color is motherfucking gorgeous. These are my oh, look how clean this is. Thank you so much to Our Place. All right, let's get to packing. Okay, we are now in my bathroom. I think that I just want to take out like the products that I think that I want to use and then we'll organize them. I haven't traveled in so long, I literally don't know how to do this. All right. These are my all-time favorite concealers, by the way. The Kosas concealers. Best things I've ever tried in my life, like by far. The Ariana Grande REM Beauty lip gloss is actually so good. It like plumps your lips and you can feel it instantly. This is my favorite mascara right now, by the way, the L'Oreal Lash Idol one. All right, the rest of this stuff, I'm just gonna put it in a box. Okay, we're in my guest bathroom now. I have a bunch of like brand new products in here that I've never tried before. So I wanna see if there's like anything that I possibly want, like anything new, you know? This is my favorite eyebrow gel, a shave cream. I am gonna need this. Look how cute this is. Like a mini size of this Cardiel Beauty Elixir. This little mini pharmacy moisturizer. I use the full size of this almost every day. Eye mask, pimple patches. I'm really trying to treat myself on vacation, so I'm gonna bring these Daily Peels by Dr. Dennis Gross. My all-time favorite body butter is the Hemp's one, but I'm gonna bring a new one since mine, the one I have now, is like almost used. All right, all the new products. Let me show y'all my new suitcase that I bought. I got it from Away. I was debating either getting a regular one or a Rimowa one or an Away one. A regular one would have been probably like $100. A Rimowa one would have been like $1,600, and an Away is $400, which those are completely drastic price differences. But then I thought, all right, insert on screen what a Rimowa one looks like. If you haven't seen these before, these are like aluminum suitcases. They're really popular, but they're also very expensive. But they're extremely good quality, but also $1,400. I don't know, they just think they look cool as well. But then an $100 one, which I've had multiple of them, I just break probably one every single year just because traveling is extremely rough. So I was like, ugh, maybe I shouldn't get one of those again. But I was thinking maybe I should. It's literally $100. But then I was like, what if I have to keep buying one every single year? But then the Away one has lifetime warranty. It's $400 and it's really good quality. So I thought I would just go for this instead. They have a bunch of different colors, but I just went with this tan one. I feel like it's pretty sleek. Is this tan? This is literally gray. I picked the tan one. I don't care. This looks good. This is what it looks like. I'll open it up in a second. I'm gonna walk y'all through everything I'm packing, okay? Some of these are gonna be my holy grails because if I'm packing, then I'm packing for a reason. Take my makeup off. I'm using the Skin & Lab For Your Cleansing Balm. This is like a balm that you use to take off your makeup. I've been using this for like 3 months now. Love this. I can literally feel like my pores melt away. I have the Dermalogica Daily Micro Exfoliant. Super good. For the cleanser, I'm gonna use Curology. For like a kind of toner or elixir, I'm gonna use the Caudiel one. I have the full size, but this is just travel, so I thought it'd be super cute. Oh, and then I also have this little Laneige one. I also have the full size of this. For serums, I'm gonna bring the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops. This is new. I haven't tried it, but I think it would be good. I'm gonna use the SkinCeuticals Salicylic Acne Treatment. This for my acne. For essence, I use this almost every night. It's the Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence. You can get this on Amazon. By the way, I'm gonna try to link everything that I talk about down below. And then we have some tretinoin, which is like retinol, I guess. This is for everyday use. The Vitamin B Hydrating Gel Cream from Skin & Lab. I've been really loving their stuff lately. And then I also have these two mini ones that I just want to get rid of. This is a Dr. Jart one and then a Laneige one. That's it for skincare, but I'm telling y'all, this trip is literally just dedicated to like self-care, relaxation. So I'm really just packing it all. Because usually I pack like none of this stuff, but this trip is different. I'm just packing a bunch of random face masks. I'm bringing a lot of the Dr. Dennis Gross peels because I've been meaning to use them for the past couple years. And then some eye masks, sheet masks, all that stuff. Ooh, and then also the Summer Fridays jet lag mask. This is like a really deep moisturizer for whenever I need it. For body, I have the Olay Restores Soft Silky Skin. I've been using this for the past like year now, and I have a bunch stockpiled, so we have this one. Then for a loofah, I have the gray one of this in my shower, but I have a pink one to travel with. This is called a Sud Scrub. It's my favorite thing ever. It's like a loofah, but it's silicone, and it lasts up to a year because with a loofah, you're supposed to replace them like once a week actually, or else like it starts to build up bacteria. But this lasts up to a year, and I really love them. So I have two of these. This is my travel one. For a body cream, I'm gonna use the Away body cream. I've had this for a year and I haven't used it because it smells so good that I don't want to use it. But I thought it would be time to bring this and use it all up because if I keep putting off using it, I'm never gonna use it. This smells so fucking good. Then we have a Calendula salve. This is just like really good as like a locking in like oil. And then to shave, I have Shea Better Shave Cream by EOS. And then a Super Goop Everyday Lotion. Oh my god, this is so like fun. Like I feel like that bitch, you know? For hair, I'm just gonna put all my hair stuff in here. Ew, I have a crusty ass fucking brush. But who cares? Not me. Hair clip, another hair clip. A Gillette Venus razor with a new head. Oh, I'm gonna put that on my body. Here, elastics. And then two little clips to like put my hair back like this when I do my makeup. A lint roller, a travel size lint roller, yes. I'm being so extra right now, but I kind of fucking love it. My hair bonnet. Some scissors because for some reason I literally get so tempted to fucking snip off my hair at the most random times. That sounds so bad, but like, yeah. This, and then I also use this to like wash my face every day. So a gua sha. You know, I do need to buy some scrunchies though because I want to start doing this to my hair again. I just don't have the scrunchies to do it. I need to stop fucking overpacking, but at the same time, this is supposed to be a vacation and I don't want to forget anything. The only hair tool I'm gonna bring is a crimper because I feel like other than that, I don't straighten my hair, and if I curl my hair, I'm gonna use the heatless curler thing, that blue thing that I just put in there. For my teeth though, we have my Quip or whatever toothbrush. It's all up from like all of the lipstick on it. I'm gonna put this in my face mask drawer because I feel like there's room in here. And then I have a brand new tongue. That was not a good motion. Tongue scraper. Now for makeup. I'm not gonna go over this because I have makeup tutorials and stuff, but I'm not bringing any foundation because we're not wearing foundation. I just like, whatever I pack things, a tip is to pack as if when you're doing your makeup routine, what do you start with and to the finish, you make sure you don't forget anything. So I just put primer, spray, concealer, powders, blush, eyeliner, mascara. mascara, eyebrows, lashes. These are my favorite lashes. These are the Wispy Kiss 11s. Oh, so good. Oh, I love fresh new brushes. The Sigma Flat Kabuki brush, it's F80, has been my favorite brush for the past like 2 months. It's so good. I use it to blend my foundation, concealer, like everything. Like, I love this brush. We got a brand new beauty blender. Doing this is actually making me excited, which I haven't felt in so long, but I literally used to be so excited to travel because I never got to that often as a kid, and it was like always my dream to travel, right? So when I turned 16, if you don't know this about me, a lot of the reason why my channel is like grew when I was younger is because when I was 16, I like solo backpacked to Bali. Like after my 16th birthday, I immediately flew out to Bali alone to another continent, traveled 27 hours by myself, and I just like backpacked Asia. Well, not Asia, Indonesia. And then I also went to Europe alone for a month when I was 16, backpacked. Like I always wanted to travel so badly, and then I got the opportunity to. So then after so long, it lost its spark because I did it so much. Once I get the okay to be able to like travel internationally, there's like a bunch of legal things, I am going to be that again because I love traveling, and as a kid I always wanted to do it, and like packing was the most fun part for me. So this is my makeup bag, right? All you need to do is just scrunch it up like this, pull this down, and boom. And then when you want to lay it out again, you lay it flat, because I'm the type of person to be so messy that I don't like having a makeup bag because you need to like dig it all out. But with this, you lay it flat on the counter, and you can leave shit all over your counter, right? But when you're done, you just pull it back up, and it's super nice. And I leave this in my drawer, and if I want to like do my makeup in the other bathroom or whatever, I just straight pull it out. No, because the fact that this is just my toiletries is very concerning. I used to be the type of girl that would just carry a backpack and travel for a month, and now I'm like, girl, what the fuck? And I'd be like, I only need a carry-on. I mean, I'm sure if I only used the carry-on, I would pack way lighter, of course, but maybe I'm a check bag type bitch now. Like, why don't I want to have my full skincare routine and 10 more? All right, for clothes, I honestly don't know. I don't think I'm gonna pack too many because I'm gonna probably go thrifting, but we have a pair of baggy Carhartt pants. These jeans from Jaded London always get the most compliments, so I'm gonna wear these. And then for pajamas, I'm gonna bring one pair of pajamas. This is like a Nay-Y pajama set. They're my favorite pajamas on earth. Like, I don't own any other pajamas. They're from Nay-Y. I'll link them down below. They're so soft. They have some weight to it, so it just sits super nicely. I have this in like 4 different colors. Amazing. I have one going out dress just in case. We have like this super cute flowy set. Some dirty ass white flowy pants. I need to wash these, but oh my god, you literally can see that there's like a period. I'm gonna wash these. Bikinis. I do not want to wash underwear once on this trip, so a bunch of underwear. All of my socks. Literally all of them. I'm gonna bring 2 workout sets. I have this green one from Set Active. I love Set Active workout sets, by the way. I probably wear Set Active the most. It's like ribbed, and I just love this color. Also, this orange one. They make the booty look so juicy. I brought biker short ones because it's gonna be hot, so I wanna make sure I'm not dying. All right, I just laid everything out right here. We're gonna start packing. I think I'm just gonna do clothes first. I'm only bringing like 5 shirts. So I wanna have room for if I decide to buy a bunch of new clothes, because I kind of want to redo my wardrobe, not gonna lie. All right, I would show you me unzipping the bag, but I actually have to pack up this thing, so I'll see you when I'm in LA.